How to make phone calls on Mac. You can make phone calls from your Mac using your iPhone as long as both devices are linked with the same Apple ID. Now simply follow these steps. Before making calls from your Mac, ensure your iPhone is set up correctly. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the cellular option available there. Inside cellular, there you'll get to see calls on other devices. Simply tap on it. Then all you have to do is turn on the allow calls on other devices, and under allow call on, enable your Mac. Your iPhone and Mac must be signed in to same Apple ID and connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this. After you do so, you can easily make call or receive calls on your Mac, just like on iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.